So this, you guys, is jollof rice that I made with a beautiful color. Check out the garlic chicken and shrimp. I'm sorry for steaming up your view. And check out the vegetables, California style. Sorry it's steaming. Everything is cooking, you guys. I did this from the heart. But look at this jollof rice, though. Look at this. I made it with parboiled rice. And it is beautiful. Look at the bay leaf, y'all. Yes. And I put thyme in here, fresh thyme, grounded thyme, and all that. She did that and did that. Look at that chicken. The shrimp in here and this lobster meat. But it is so beautiful. It looks kind of light skin or beige complected because it's stewing. I'm not frying it, so it's not going to be like dark. Yeah. But yeah. I did that. And by the way, this is my first time making party jollof rice for a bunch of people. It has peas and carrots, all the seasonings. I will list or post the video of everything that I put inside. But yeah, love you guys. It's been real. Mwah. So these are all the products that I am using to make the jollof rice. All of this, all of that, this, and the parboiled rice. I can't wait to show you guys the end result. Hello there. Hello. So this is the final finished product of my meal. Nigerian jollof rice with vegetables, chicken, shrimp, and lobster meat. Look at it, like, look deeply. Look at that. I really did that. I stood on my feet, was swaying these hips back and forth, honey. And I cooked my behind off. And it's so flavorful and it's not salty. So it is freaking delicious. I'm up. I was bored and hungry. So I was like, let me fix me a plate because I had been snacking as I was cooking. So, excuse me. I did this myself. And I'm so very proud of myself for just sticking it out no matter how bad my feet was hurting, my hips, my back, all that was hurting. But I did this all out of love. Love you. Peace.